Hello guys and welcome to today's video. And whoa, I just shaved off my beard and it's very confrontating. Holy shit, I look terrible without a beard. But yeah, we are getting a new modification for the BMW. I'm already on my way actually because I'm a little bit late as always. What are we getting? We are getting a P3 performance gauge. So it's going to into my ventilation. And what does that do? Well, you can see 0 to 100 times coolant, throttle timing, coolant temperature, oil temperature. It's a very nice modification. And my main benefit is that you can see the oil temp on it, because one of my biggest things that I hate about this car is that I can't see oil temperature on the go. So you can see oil temp through the secret menu, but you have to stand still somewhere. Your engine has to be off. So if while driving, it's impossible. You have to park yourself somewhere, and you know it's just stupid because you know I never do it because yeah, it's ridiculous that you have to park somewhere to see the oil temp, and you know I just drive. Now finally with this mod I can see oil temp on the go, and it looks very well, and we're getting it installed at MWorks. I also bought it from there, so I'm very curious how it's gonna work out, and it's gonna add some nice little features to the car. I'm not gonna say the car should have come with them stock because there are a lot of performance features, but yeah, it's gonna look pretty cool. It's very sweet. It's not that it's very obnoxious. That's not the right word. You don't see it that hard. Sorry, my English is not perfect. But yet, you know, it's only for the driver because it's in this vent there. So passengers and stuff like that don't see it. It's per your driver's focus, so it looks pretty cool. So yeah, we are gonna get it installed, and we also need a little bit of gas because I'm almost out, of course. So yeah, see you when I'm there. And here we arrived. You can always see some cool BMWs over here, like there. They have a gorgeous M235i. Yeah, it's an M235i, and there is a nice 330e. So they have some pretty cool cars already for sale. Now I'm gonna say that I'm here. Yeah, that car is gorgeous looking cars. So it's already out, so it goes that quick. Ooh. Here we have a look at it. It looks very nice. My car is running hot. No, that's exhaust temperature, so that's pretty cool. If you see I'm flooring it, it becomes higher up to holy shit. Damn. Oh, that's cool. And also, yeah, this is ignition, stuff like that. So I'm gonna wait until I'm home, and then I'm going to see everything. That was 0 to 100 pull, by the way, and we did it in 7 seconds, but keep in mind when I did the test it was 2 degrees and raining, so traction was really not available. So 7 seconds in those conditions are pretty decent if you ask me. In dry weather I think we should get 6 seconds, so don't think that the 7 seconds are real numbers. They're accurate numbers, but the car can do way better. So it's installed, and I think it looks very nice. I mean, if you're just driving, you have a cool extra screen over here, and you can finally see oil temp right away. Very handy. Oil, love it. When you press again, you can see a 0 to 100 timer, which is also pretty cool. You can also do it 0 to 160, 100 to 0, 160 to 0, and 100 to 210. So it's really pretty nice. You also have a boost meter, which is pretty cool. Coolant, always handy. Speed, so you can actually see what you're driving, and it's as accurate as a GPS. So it's a little bit lower as the speed they say here. So it's really cool. Yeah, speed. Battery voltage, also pretty handy. Your RPMs. Very nice. Also your intake temperature that you can see, so the temperature from the intake, pretty cool. Your ignition, you don't really need that, but you know, it's cool to know anyway. Your throttle, so now it's at 15% when I floor it. So yeah, that's pretty cool too. Or was this your ignition? I'm not sure, but you don't need everything that you have on here, because for me some of these are just numbers. And you got your oil again, so it's pretty cool. It's pretty nice. You also have your exhaust temperature, I think. Let me see for a second. I got it the last time. Oh, here you go. So you can also see exhaust temperature, which is pretty nice. Yeah, apparently it's that hot. It was 600 degrees on the highway. So yeah, I mean, it's pretty cool that you can see all that stuff. But I'm mostly gonna use the oil and the 0 to 100 timer. But yeah, it's very nice. And you can also see your boost, coolant. So I think I'm got most stuff already. So yeah, it's pretty cool. I mean, and yeah, it's not that cheap, but I like it. So this is the Facebook page that you have to go to. These are very nice people, and they know what they are doing. These are their information, their address, phone number, email. So yeah, and they even have a website over here. So yeah, I'm gonna leave the link from this website, and then you can see what they all can do. And you know, it's really nice. You can contact them on Facebook very easily. So yeah, it's a nice shop, and they do a lot of stuff, and they sell some pretty cool cars, like 1 Series with an M package and stuff like that. So yeah, I mean, it's a good place. Very nice people. They know what they are doing, and you can do quite a lot of stuff over there. So I would say go there. So guys, yeah, thanks for watching. It's another cool modification for the BMW, and I really dig this one because every freaking day I'm talking to myself like, oh man, I hate the fact that this car has no oil temperature meter. But yeah, I'm very happy that the car has one now, and it's very easy to use. I don't have to go to the secret menu anymore, and doing the 0 to 100 pulse is also very, very nice. And also a cool thing is when I do 100 to 210 kilometers an hour pull, I can actually see if I gained some performance, stuff like that, because now I have a built-in timer. So if I'm doing like an intercooler or a downpipe or boat or whatever, and I want to see some difference, I can do it 100 to 210 pull again, and then we will see if the car accelerates faster or not. So it's a really cool upgrade, and I really, really dig it. And it doesn't take away any original practicality or something. It's just cool to have. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching. I hope to see you next time. Tell me what you think about the mod, and if you want it, I will leave a link from the website where I got it, and the guys that installed it, they're the same place. So I would really recommend them. They're a very nice place. Very nice guys, very nice place. So yeah, guys, I will see you soon. Bye.